One of the things you'll be doing in this class is installing a Windows 10 machine and then doing some configuration in it. You probably don't have a spare computer sitting around, and you may not want to change the settings on your own Windows 10 computer. So one way we can do that is to set up a virtual machine. But in order to set up a virtual Windows 10, first we need the installer for it. Now the easy way to do that, and in this video I'm going to talk about using the trial version, which is good for 3 months, and that way you can just use it for the class and then throw it away when you're done. You can use a licensed version if you want, but then you'll be using up a key to do that. So simply the easiest way to do that is just to say download Windows 10 like this in your Google. And you'll see here, download Windows 10 disk image ISO file, which is what we want. And when you get to this page on Microsoft, the download Windows 10 page, what you'll want to do is download the tool. You'll say download tool now, and you'll see this media creation tool. You'll download the media creation tool, and once you get it, you'll click on it on wherever it is you downloaded it, your download page or your home or your desktop, wherever you downloaded it, and run it. Now it's going to give you several options, and as soon as this thing stops messing around here, I'll show you those options. Okay, there we go. We come to this page where you want to accept their terms, and so you say accept. The next page that will come up will be this page, and here you have the option of trying to upgrade this PC now or create an installation media, which is the one we want. We want to create a media, which as you can see can be a USB, flash drive, a DVD, or an ISO file. So we'll click next, and I'm going to choose the English language and Windows 10 64-bit and use recommended options. I'll leave that on. I'll click next, and now what I want is an ISO file. Now I could go ahead and make a USB installable disk, but that is probably not the most efficient for what we'll be doing. You'll need an ISO file. So I'll click ISO and click next, and then I can just choose where I want that ISO file to exist. For example, here Windows ISO. I actually like to change the name of this thing to Windows 10 and then 64-bit, so that I know what I've got when I get it. And then in fact I might even put trial, since this is going to be a trial version. That way I know what that file represents, and I'll just go ahead and click save, and it'll take off and create my ISO, in this case on my desktop, because that's where I told it to put it. So that's all there is to it. Once you've got your ISO file, then we'll use that to create a virtual machine in VirtualBox. So thank you for listening, and we'll talk to you in the next video.